Thank you very much, guys, for watching Kanelo Wakengirkani season 1.
Sorry, Jay. Avoid movement.
Avuxeni hinkwenu la mi hi languta ku viri kona hi mina Mandla Gilizani hi le Pitori namuntlha. We are counting down to episode 100, but these are the guys who are going to host the show.
And guess what? Today is the day we're going to film episode 100. But because I wanted a new look, I contacted a friend of mine, Rabi, who does pallet furniture out in Grasmere. And this is what happened.
Alright, Muslim. Unless you like Mkuku, honestly. Unless you like one drop Kuku, so. I'll look in the shin running. So tell me, how do you feel? These guys are quiet. Okay. These guys are quiet, and I want to rejoin the low one.
Yeah, man.
I hope we're live. So these guys are gonna be hosting the show, episode 100, and we won't be doing it live. Yeah. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Anyway, like to let them know what kind of sexy. Look, okay, I'm tired. And then I'm a little bit license.
And now that we got everything we need, now it's time to get down to business.
Sure we. You are online. Am I online?
We're online.
You're alive. Okay. The quality is right. I love so this is so. Yeah. Alright. So if I'm a main switch, come if I'm a gaze, I still. If I'm a main switch, come if I'm a gaze. If I'm a gaze. Alright. So I'm busy. Work from a gaze. I still put so going inside. Yes. Gaze it from my jar, man. Gaze it from my jar. Busy on us. Can someone tell Escom? Even overload. It's overload. What did you do? We looked at the blind. You are online. Am I online?
We're online.
You are live.
Okay.
Nilaka entertainment. Entertainment.
If I should like us, entertainment. Because everything entertainment. I'm not a cash as a child. Don't talk about entertainment.
Taka vithi ngaso.
Samkusa. Man entertainment. Hayi mfowethu.
Le daba sine trend entertainment. So look trend mabona kuna CMC entertainment. Chuta
Hayi CMC le kaya at least. Hlantsanyanga.
Okay, mara CMC tamrivalela.
CMC. Yelo twana mina CMC ka.
Le barrage entertainment.
Kokwane hit ndakunyana.
Swa eventually swa Verbal Engineering Night 2019 guys. Please get your tickets as soon as it's possible. Ilava community hall itala Ronto. And this season
Loko what I said we fill up.
no, we're not doing fill up. So you know the fill up So we're getting tickets and I hope my big things are coming this season. So please go there.
Yes.
Get your ticket at the computer tickets, guys.
Price ya 100 rand matikiti. Kuna ra VIP 500 rand. Ka VIP kutava kha kudiwa.
Yeah,
ayo dura loko tinga ku ya dura swilo ku ya no the target market.
Vela kuduma gagu la.
Kuta ku na swakudya. I will see snacks. No. Vulavula hi swakudya swa serious.
Yeah.
Loko u ta va i xava ticket ra VIP suku nga dya nkaya. It's very simple.
Yeah, and importantly thanks to Shonzi Branding. What va nga endlela Shonzi Branding. Una va nga endla swilo leswiwani. Na Shonzi Branding.
What's that Shonzi swivulaini?
Shonzi.
Shiloshingen.
Yeah, I get it. Okay, mina titmed. Salute, I guess Dors.
Yeah, man buy out. Gingrikan ngatimeli until next week. Salute. So,
please don't stop. I want it to be guys, this is breaking news. Maraj, you are my standby presenter for episode 100. In case like a cries and then myself I was going to share
episode 100.
Fuck this guy. Okay, yeah. Okay. Episode 100 is coming live in due time. We are going
You know, entertainment.
You guys will be interviewing me. You're trying to find out about me.
But also if I get directly
Learning for them. So you should do it.
That's nice.
I deleted that thing long time ago. The last station. I record the was at I should one card where to delete it. No, thing is, there's so many shows that were shot and I delete you. So, no way you will like I unfortunately. There's so many shows. No one. No, yeah. No, I think it looks like shoot one card. Straight.
Yeah.
So, episode 100 is coming, but I'll come on with this and what fun grill.
Yeah.
So, Until Maraj is on the standby, guys, on the sidelines. So, anything happens, then we have to take over the reins. Yeah. No. Can you talk about that offside, guys? We are doing it episode 100 tomorrow night.
Tomorrow Friday, ne?
Yes.
Yeah.
We are shooting tomorrow night.
Saturday aka get together ya Facebook le Ametrend Glen what
Glen Austin, it's called Glen Austin.
Glen Austin, yes, Glen Austin.
But you got to mala or is it?
You know how to train. You know you look up at your mate. We don't get a mala kwana.
Yeah, I need to buy the VVIP. But a month run the VIP.
Yeah, to English for come God. You know this car before I bought this other one.
Anyway, I can still come in and Montelegere. I start telling you, Dora.
Salute.
I just remind that something word travel really has resolved. vulavula ni guys mi xota vanhu la
hayi ni rhandza ku xeweta vaseketeri hinkwavo va kanele wa gingirikani na ku va ni kume chance leyiwani rhandza ku yi khensa miso lowani ku va a gayi opportunity ya ku hina hina hi tikombisa talenta ya hina leyi nga na yona swilo swa kahle episode 100 ne na mi tshembisa yi ta va yi ri
100 dinganiwe
right
masose
Yes, big up to all the subscribers, and we are bringing you episode 100.
Ngikwalange mina titimeli.
Minga
titimeli. Salute.
Lexi nga xo prove no.
Kanuku Stars kusebile nyora mtesi mtotora nikese swona kwa mina ngudika nkanelo wa gingirikane khare hi lwa swin'we la ka ku episode 100 so hi hetile loko ri ke mi la ku vona interview ya mina episode 100 yi kona le ka Gingirikani Media. Please go there and subscribe to make sure you subscribe and then you don't miss anything. And I just want to thank Khomalani Music for ku va nyika award leyiwani ku khensa ntirho wa kanelo wa Gingirikani yi tshovekile so swi lava ni phenja so na khensa loko ri ke mi la ku vona ti-interview leti nga ti endla na my guest presenters famba ni ka Gingirikani Media mi hatlisa sweswiwani nkarhi wa ha ri kona mi nga titimeli eka Stars. Salute. Menga titimela.
Insikani impundu lowunene ina madyambu lamanene maxaka tindhawu hinkwato hambanahambana la mi hi vona ku mi ri kona depending avo hi vona erikwini van'wana va hi vona va ri Mozambique van'wana va le Mauritius van'wana va le America leyi i nkanelo wa Gingirikani episode 100 dzana ra